Question number 15. Unpolarized light. Unpolarized light. Okay, when you say polarization, put the intensity I here and look for the polarizer. This is a polarizer here. Are incident on two polarizing vectors X and Y. They are arranged so that light emerging from Y has a maximum intensity. Okay. Now, if you have the first polarizer, the output of the first polarizer will always be I by 2. Don't apply Malus law here. Okay. After the first polarizer, it's I by 2. Then after this comes Malus law. Okay. Now X is fixed. X is fixed. You're not going to change. Which means what? Incoming for the Y is I by 2 and Y is rotated through theta above the direction of the incident beam in its own plane. So you're going to rotate it like this over here. Okay. What are the first three successive values of theta for which the final transmitted intensity is a maximum? First ask the question, when will it be maximum? It will be maximum when, let us say, a transmission axis for the first one is like this. This is also like this, right? Because it's already been polarized in this direction. So you will also be like this. What will be the outcome here? Once again, it will be I by 2, right? It will be I by 2. So therefore, when it will be maximum? It will be maximum when these two lines are coinciding. Okay. So theta equal to 0. So there is no option for theta equal to 0. When will it be maximum next time? When you invert it completely, which means what? Initially, let us say this is your transmission axis AB. Now you rotate this one. You rotate this plane. So this is your transmission axis along with the polarizer. You rotate it like this. Okay. So that what will happen? Now you again get the polarizer like this. So that this becomes A and this becomes B. Which means what? So you have this line. You are now rotating it about it. Becomes 180 degree. First time 180 degree. 180 degree you get it maximum. Next time once again rotate it. Which means what? You are rotating it a second time. Which means total angle described is 360. What happens the third time? Once again rotate it. So which means 360 plus 180, which should be 540. Thus the right answer is 180, 360, 540, which is option C. Very easy problem. Only thing is you need to logically reason this. Okay. Let us move on to the next one.